everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of Funny Silly Laffy, and in today's new Funny Silly Laffy video, I'm currently in a restaurant that I made in my house, or in my parents' house. So we made this. So I made this cool restaurant. It's actually Subway in our house. So please leave a like on this video. So right here we got some bread. Make sure to subscribe. So we got some Subway bread right here that we crafted. And let's make ourselves a Subway sandwich. So we are looking at the menu right here. So a chicken sandwich is $3.25. Carrot sandwich is $3.30. So we got some drinks also. Water for $1, and then coconut milkshake for $100, because the coconut milkshake, it's a lot of money and it's very expensive. So yeah, let's go. Let's see, what should we do? Let's do the chicken sandwich first. Maybe I'll not make a chicken sandwich. Let's just start off putting some cheese, some stripped string cheese on this thing. So let's see, let's put some on here, and let's put some on here also. Let's put some string cheese here. Okay, there we go. We got some cheese on our buns. So first I'm gonna order a 5-inch, 6-inch, 6-inch long. First one. So this is gonna be the first one. So you got the cheese on the bun already. I'm gonna add some chicken breast on my sandwich. It's actually not gonna be a chicken sandwich. Basically, kind of, because it's chicken breast. Let's pop this stuff on here. Alright, so let's see. Got some more chicken breast. Alright. And let's see. So we got this so far. I think it's time to put it together now. So 3, 2, 1. Right, guys, we made our sandwich. Did it. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna try this now. 6-inch long Subway sandwich. Let's try this thing. In 3, 2, 1. That's pretty good. Guys, that's actually pretty good. This is actually really good. Okay. It's so good. I'm going to take the bread from the sandwich and I'm going to make a different sandwich. Alright, so now I guess it's basically time to make a different sandwich. Now it's time to make a chicken sandwich. Alright, so I got our bread right here, which I also already bit into. Got our bread. I got the chicken for the chicken sandwich, but we need to cut this in half and we need to microwave it because it's cold currently. It's very cold right now, so let's actually So let's cut our chicken. Cutting our chicken with a machete. Not a real machete, it's kind of like a knife machete. So we cut our chicken. It's gonna look like basically just like this when you cut. I mean, it's already frozen. That's why it doesn't look like real turkey chicken inside of it. Basically, but soon we're gonna put the chicken on the sandwich and make ourselves a chicken sandwich. But first we gotta microwave the stuff. Alright, so yeah, let's microwave it now. in the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. So let's see. Okay, should we do 105 seconds? That should be good. I'm going with 105 seconds. Oh wait, no, that's actually only 65 seconds. Which means we would have to add 40 more seconds. We have to flip it and then we would have to do 40 more seconds. Basically. See you guys when it is done and we have to flip it. Basically. Guys, this thing is looking really cool. Let's just try to remove some stuff because there's some ugly stuff in bread that's kind of weird actually. So yeah. Pretty weird stuff in bread. And I also got some carrots that we could put on. Yeah. Alright. It's ready now. I just gotta flip on, I think. It's actually good. Alright guys. Our chicken is nice and grilled. Put in the microwave. It's nice and grilled. Now I got grilled chicken. Alright, let's slap our chicken on the bread. Put our chicken out. That's hot. Alright, now let's smush it with our machete knife. Come on, let's get it on that bread.
Alright, answer was false. The correct answer would have been local marketing.
Get this on the bread. Come on, yeah. Just like that. Yeah, come on. Get that stuff on the bread. Now, guys, I know it looks a little disgusting, but when I actually try it, I think it's going to be really good. Oh, look at this good stuff. Look at this stuff. This stuff looks so good. Yeah, I know it looks kind of weird, but it's going to be great when I try it. I think it's gonna be great. Just smush this stuff on with this machete. Just get the stuff on. Alright guys, we got our chicken on. There we go. Chicken is nice and on. So now I guess it's time to add some more string cheese. So we're gonna add some more cheese. Let's get some more cheese. We're gonna add some cheese. Okay. Put some cheese on here.
And it looks like the majority of us got it. All the above.
Okay. Some more cheese. Just a little bit more. Let's get some cheese. Alright guys, there we go. We got all of our cheese on top. I'm gonna eat the rest of the cheese. Looks pretty good. Now it's time to put it together to make a sandwich. Let's make it as a sandwich. In 3, 2, 1, chicken sandwich. Let's just smush this on. Machete knife right here. Just get stuff on. Okay, got it on. Now it's time to try. It's time to try now. 3, 2, 1. That's so delicious. This thing smells so good. It's a little chicken sandwich. I mean, I love chicken sandwiches so much. They're so good. Mm. Guys, also, we're going to celebrate my first day of 3rd grade. Today's my first day of 3rd grade. Oh, stuff is good, so good. Alright guys, made a chicken sandwich. Alright, since we made a chicken sandwich, now I think we are gonna actually erase our chicken sandwich from the menu because I just ate it. So erase this. There you go. I don't want the chicken sandwich, so we're gonna erase that. I got some water, coconut milkshake. I'll cross off the water because, I mean, everybody knows what water is. Okay. Now it's time to try our coconut milkshake. $100 coconut milkshake. Let's do this. Let's actually do this. Alright. So I'm gonna make myself a coconut milkshake. Alright, let's actually make ourselves a coconut milkshake. Now guys, I made one of these things before and it tastes amazing. And I can tell the expense in these things. Because they're basically just so amazing. I mean, how they taste. They're just incredible. So let me go ahead and get ourselves a large glass cup. Because I always like large drinks. So we're going to make ourselves a large coconut milkshake. Now, if you guys wonder how to make one of these things, it's very simple. You basically get regular milk, pour some milk, okay, milk's done. Alright, so you basically pour milk and you also get some Hershey's chocolate syrup to make it nice and chocolatey. So now since we made the milk, now we have to mix the milk, and then after I mix the milk, it's time to put in the coconut flavor. So first, if I try this, it's basically gonna taste just like chocolate milk. If I taste it right now. Alright, so just did that. Let's see. Now it's time to put in our coconut flavor to this. So we're actually gonna get some Coffee Mate, 0 grams of sugar of coffee thing. So this is the coconut flavored thing that gets in. Alright, so let's not put too much or else it's gonna taste kind of bad. Also out of that. Okay, so now I think we just mix more. So let's mix. Okay. Just mixed, and now it's time to try our coconut milkshake. Let's try it in 3, 2, 1. I mean, guys, I already made this before. It's so good. That's so good. This is just amazing. But anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this awesome video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, leave a like, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone.